How to log in Photoleap AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will guide you on how you can log in your Photoleap AI. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Photoleap application on your mobile device. Now, over here, tap on the settings icon at the top left corner of the screen. You can see that there is an option of log in. Tap on it. Over here, you can continue with your email, Facebook, and Google. For now, I'm gonna continue with my email. Type in your email. Now, tap on continue. A verification code will be sent to your email. Open your email. Now, copy the code from your email and paste it to your Photoleap AI application. Now, click on continue. You have successfully logged into your Photoleap AI account. If you found this video to be helpful, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.